Good morning.
Morning.
It's day 2 in El Nido, and it's 6 a.m. Breakfast is not served until 7, but the roosters are roostering. Right?
I'm still wearing my duster. I don't care.
We're in the dining area of the hotel, which overlooks all the boats.
That's our neighbors.
Yeah.
Good morning, neighbors. It's so pretty. It is. So if you get a chance to come here, you guys, come over.
And it's okay.
Take me with you.
This hotel is not scary. Mom, tell them about your reaction yesterday.
Well, we got off the airport. It's so nice. You know, someone picked you up. And then we drove. Nice drive also. And then we went to this, I don't know, was it like, what the heck was the back part of the hotel? And we're like, where are we going? I thought we were being kidnapped.
So like I said, everybody got quiet. Like they were like in shock until we got to the front of the hotel and they were like, oh, this is fine. And then when we got up and they saw this view, they were like, oh. Oh, wow.
It was day and night. It was from where we parked, where we pulled, well, I don't know. But yeah, it's really pretty.
Yeah.
You should show it where your room is.
Oh, yeah. I think Jeff's parents are in this balcony with the yellow chairs, and Jeff and I are actually in that room with the black chair. And we're getting ready for breakfast. Okay, so they picked us up at the hotel, and now we're walking over to the boat. It's 8:45 in the morning. Jeff, what are you drinking?
Breakfast beer.
Beer.
Breakfast champions.
It's send me
Just
light.
light. Not heavy.
Just light.
It's too early.
It's
It's too
fine.
early. What am I?
It's juice. It's juice. It's light. And the boat. That's all your gear? Oh snap. Oops. Oh, it's getting deeper. Yeah.
With this rope.
Okay lang.
I'm okay. So far. Here you go. Reserved for senior citizens. I guess today I am.
Yes, party people! Put your hands up in the air. Put your hands up in the air. Put your hands up in the air. All the people in the boat. Yes, yes. Also,
Yes.
Jamie, Jeff, Luisa, they are family. Yeah, I didn't know. So they are from Manila and the USA. My God.
One, two, three. One more. Okay, babang kamay. Tapos tingin na kayo, tapos magtawanan kayo. Go. Haha. 1, 2, 3. Hahaha.
Okay, we are at Cadlao Lagoon, and it's kayaking time. Getting ready to drone us.
When I say go, then you lay down, okay?
Okay.
And you wave up. You wave.
Wait,
Yeah.
okay.
Okay, Mom, are you having fun with the photographer?
Yes, I am.
Look at Jeff. Hey.
You know what? I think I lost my hat.
Greetings from Serenity Beach. We are on top of the boat. Jarek is doing another photo shoot for us.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1 more.
So pretty.
Wow.
I-slide mo daw konti ng ganito para medyo malande.
Medyo?
Yeah. I-straight mo muna. Tapos ganun mo. Sa kabila side.
How was your fall earlier?
It was so nice. I did it on purpose.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Maganda dito kayo kasi magpapalipad ako ng drone. Ano mga agad sila sa... Kaya maging pocket.
Are your parents coming up?
I don't think so.
I think so. They're right there. Describe it, Mom.
Describe what?
Where you are.
I can't. It's really pretty. It's really pretty. What can you do?
BTS.
Yeah, he's gonna go horizontally so you can flag it. That's what he said.
Okay.
Is it doing it already?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, follow na.
Go then. Go then. Go then. There you go.
Kiss.
Party.
Oh. Here, Mom. All right, Jeff, give me your move. walking into the water. The Serenity Beach. Now we're in the water. Yeah. His parents came off the boat for this one because it's not that far to the beach. And then we're just chilling at the beach.
Gonna walk.
You're gonna walk on the beach? Do you like long walks on the beach?
Is it recording?
It's recording.
Okay.
Can you see?
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna go under, you go under. Put the camera under. Ready? Sarap ng ligo. It is salty. Alright, bye sand. Goodbye Serenity Beach. In between, I'm just brushing my hair. Snack time. Okay, so we're at Pasadingan Cove, and there's a secret cave that we're trying to get to. I'm literally like jumping up and down because it's like deep and people swam. That's why people swam. But I'm not a strong swimmer. Swimming with a vest is hard. I'm like wading water. Yeah, backstroke. This feels so good. Hindi kasama? Okay. Owen, we're buddies now, right?
Okay. We're gonna make it. If we don't, tell our parents we love them.
Alright, my eyes. What, do we go in here? Oh, okay, we can walk now. Okay. Woo! Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Kind of. I don't know.
I think this is it.
See, I don't want to miss it, that's why.
Oh, your head. Watch your head, Louisa.
Okay, we're going and I can't.
You go chat. Just scroll, ma'am. Just scroll.
Are you not wearing shoes? Hindi ko scared.
I'm a local.
Oh, and I made it.
It's only 17.
They're cheering for my mom.
Oh, she's coming in?
Dude, yeah.
Nice.
They took the boat. They have the guide. We out here. This is cute. We got Eden. Yeah. Yes.
That's not the way.
Oh, okay. Hold on. But Daddy, I love him. I'm part of your world. Okay, how was the cave?
It was neat. It's nice. I mean, I didn't swim going there because diva.
Alright. It's lunchtime at, how do you say it? Pasadigan, right? Pasadigan Cove. We got some pancit. We got some bangos. Is it bangos?
Tuna.
Tuna? Rice. I'm so hungry after swimming. Swam all the way to that cave. From there to there. Going to the small lagoon, but they only had one paddle left. So guess who gets the paddle? We can take turns. I'm just kidding. Maybe it's better.
So we go that way?
Yeah, towards the cave. Okay, look, I'm helping. Other way. Oh. Okay, well, we're gonna crash now.
Not working.
Oh, sorry.
Sorry.
Okay, sorry. Tabi po. Okay, I think this is the opening. Okay, we have to get in there.
No.
It's over there. Okay, backwards. And forward. Maybe just duck. Okay. Okay. Let's just push with the cave. Oh my gosh.
Holy shit.
Wow. Oh. Thanks, babe. This was worth it. Tabi po. Wow. You can just chill till they get here. I do feel like I have to whisper. It's so quiet in here. Like, look how you can hear my mom. Hey. How's it going? So this stop, which I think is our last stop, is snorkeling, which we don't really feel like doing. And yeah, so we're just gonna chill on the boat. I think that's Owen. Water looks so pretty though. Tap of the boat, just for the vibes. I'm gonna live vicariously through Kuya, who took the GoPro for me, and will show me some fish. Ooh.
They can use my phone.
hotel. It's 5:11 p.m. I've already taken a shower and I feel great. Although like swimming in the seawater also felt great. Umi Tours did such a good job taking care of us, as did Jarek from Travel Connect PH. So having Jarek from Travel Connect PH as your drone photographer is great because he will take pictures. He knows how to fly a drone. He'll direct you and, you know, like tell you how to pose and how to walk. And also, like, when he's flying the drone, he'll hide to make sure he's not in the shot. He's like a ninja, does it all. So shout out to them. And El Nido is just beautiful. Just beautiful. What was your favorite part? Small Lagoon was like probably the prettiest place that we went to.
I like Lagoon. I like that hidden lagoon.
Small Lagoon.
Small lagoon.
The with the that you have to kayak and you
Yeah.
So definitely that one is my favorite. Although everything was beautiful, like the beach where we had lunch had coconut trees, and that was like a nice place to just chill. So definitely what you need sunscreen. You need to bring some water, Like there were 6 of us and we had like 3 bags of chips amongst us and like a bag of nuts. So that's good like snackage to bring. Bring cash so you can tip the staff. Cameras, I brought my phone, my DJI Pocket 3. I kept it safe. I only took it out when I wasn't like with wet hands. And a GoPro for those underwater shots. And then I did bring 1 power brick and I only had to use it once for my phone. So you know, depending on your usage, I mean, obviously I split my usage amongst 3 cameras. Hopefully the footage comes out well. So, wait, did I say? By the way, this is our view of all the boats from our hotel at Aqua Travel Lodge. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna say that just in case I end the video here.